Hello friends, first of all, welcome back to my channel, Classy Fashion Ideas by Ushna. So I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Now friends, let's move to the details of this video. As far as we are concerned, then the answer to this question is again very simple and very clear, that I am here with you along with a very stylish, very pretty and yet very latest, new and easy to make patterns, designs, color combinations and ideas of hand embroidered face mask designs. Yes friends, you have heard it right. All of these masks are designer masks and you can make them by following these patterns by sitting in your homes, simply by following these color combinations. The thread you can use for making these embroidery patterns is very known and simple, that is, you can use embroidery, wool or anchor or DMC. The stitches are also very easy. You can simply use 1 to 2 stitches to make the whole embroidery pattern, that is lazy daisy stitch, French knot, chain stitch, satin stitch, forward backward stitch, crisscross stitch or Brazilian stitch or any other sort of stitch that you would like to make. These are very beautiful, lightweight, soft, flexible with very pretty and adjustable elastic straps. This time you could see that very beautiful and pretty colorful elastic straps have been used, different from my previous videos onto which mostly white or off-white color elastic straps were being used. The basic purpose and the main motive is to give you some classy fashion ideas while keeping the account and the basic necessities of healthcare. These masks could be used for several purposes and reasons. That is, these masks could be used for very important reason, that is the pandemic coronavirus dangerous situation, to keep yourself protected from this virus and other seasonal viruses and dust allergy, pollution, for skincare reasons, that is sunburn, suntan, sun heat and sun damage, some pollen allergies, some minor acute breathing problems. And one more thing friends, that these embroidery patterns could be used in a number of ways, not for only face masks, but you can use these patterns for designing an all over embroidered shirt, t-shirt, top, sweater, kurti, or you can also make these very beautiful pretty all over bunches or floral patterns of hand embroidered flowers onto your cushion covers or pillows. So allow me to leave. We will soon be back with you along with some new design ideas. Up till then, take care, stay tuned, stay connected. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.